Good evening. Welcome to Shockwave Updates. The National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane watch for the Texas coast as Tropical Storm Beryl approaches. Watches and warnings for flooding, rainfall, storm surge, and hurricane-force winds are in effect along much of the Texas coastline, with Beryl expected to potentially regain hurricane status as it nears Texas on Monday. As of the 10 a.m. Central update on Saturday, the hurricane watch extends from the mouth of the Rio Grande to San Luis Pass, south of Galveston. A tropical storm warning covers areas south of Baffin Bay to the Rio Grande, and a storm surge watch is in effect south of High Island, covering nearly the entire Texas coast. Beryl is forecasted to approach Matagorda Bay and the coast of Texas and northeastern Mexico on Monday as a Category 1 hurricane with 85 miles per hour winds. However, the storm must first overcome the dry air and wind shear it encountered while crossing the Yucatan Peninsula and the Gulf of Mexico. Currently, Beryl has 60 miles per hour winds and is situated about 460 miles southeast of Corpus Christi, Texas, moving west-northwest. The National Hurricane Center cautions that the average forecast track error at 48 hours is approximately 70 miles, which could significantly impact where the most severe effects are felt due to the storm's angle of approach. Beryl is expected to bring 5 to 10 inches of rainfall to Texas, with isolated locations potentially seeing up to 15 inches. This heavy rainfall could lead to significant flooding across the coastal and eastern regions of Texas beginning late Sunday and continuing through midweek. Additionally, the storm is forecast to produce a storm surge of 2 to 5 feet along the coast and dangerous rip currents. Residents of Texas and Louisiana are urged to stay informed about their flood zones and closely monitor the storm's progress. Meteorologist Kirsten Snodgrass in Corpus Christi emphasized that all of South Texas should prepare for a hurricane, advising residents to complete their preparations, understand their flood risk, and check on vulnerable neighbors. Understanding the terminology is crucial during this time. A hurricane watch means that hurricane force winds above 74 miles per hour are possible within 48 hours, while a hurricane warning indicates that such winds are expected within 36 hours. A tropical storm warning means that winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour are expected within 36 hours. And a tropical storm watch means such winds are possible within 48 hours. After impacting the Caribbean, brushing Jamaica, and making landfall along the Yucatan Peninsula, Beryl's winds have weakened significantly. However, forecasters remain uncertain about its future intensity and path as it re-enters the Gulf of Mexico. The storm's potential to intensify into a Category 1 hurricane depends on how well its core remains intact and how it interacts with atmospheric systems over the southern United States. Regardless of its final path or strength, dangerous beach conditions are expected along much of the Gulf Coast through the weekend. Subscribe and watch to stay updated. Thank you for watching this.